thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of coming home to a chaotic, messy yard that feels more like a chore list than a retreat? In today's fast-paced world, our minds are constantly overloaded, and our outdoor spaces should be the antidote to that stress, not the cause of it. Today, we are diving deep into the mesmerizing world of Zen garden design ideas. We'll show you how to strip away the clutter, embrace mindful minimalism, and transform even the smallest corner of your backyard into a breathtaking sanctuary of pure peace and relaxation. Let's get started. A Zen garden, traditionally known as karesansui or the Japanese dry landscape garden, is a minimalist outdoor space that utilizes stylized arrangements of rocks, gravel, sand, and sparse greenery to replicate the essence of nature. Instead of relying on a riot of colorful, high-maintenance flowers, a Zen garden focuses on clean lines, open space, and natural textures. Raked gravel or sand represents the fluid movement of water waves, while carefully placed boulders mimic grand mountains and islands. It is a space deliberately stripped of distractions, designed entirely to foster quiet reflection, meditation, and mental clarity. Choosing a Zen garden design for your home is one of the smartest landscaping decisions you can make, especially if you lead a busy lifestyle. Beyond its striking high-end architectural aesthetic, a Zen garden provides immense mental health benefits by serving as a dedicated, screen-free zone for stress relief and mindfulness. From a practical standpoint, it is incredibly low maintenance and highly sustainable. Because it relies primarily on stone, gravel, and hardy, slow-growing elements rather than demanding lawns or delicate annuals, you will spend significantly less time mowing, watering, and weeding, and far more time actually enjoying the tranquility of your outdoor space. A Zen garden is an intentionally meditative garden that encourages you to slow down, take in your surroundings, and relax into a calm state. When designing your own Zen garden, also called a Japanese rock garden, consider how all the elements harmonize and how the space can lend itself to contemplation. From the serene trickle of water features to the graceful raking of sand and smooth rocks, each element in a Zen garden is intentionally chosen to create tranquility and peace. A Zen garden should bring a sense of harmony and oneness with nature. Each element in the garden should be placed with the intention to evoke a deeper meaning. Traditionally, Zen gardens would contain some very specific elements such as rocks, sand, water, plants, and bridges, but modern interpretations can go beyond tradition and focus on the intention of each element. A Zen garden can contain other elements like lush bamboo, soft moss, green plants, twinkling lanterns, pathways, and meditation spaces. However, you can incorporate something as simple and budget-friendly as an ornamental Japanese maple and a small rock garden. Many elements work in a sprawling garden or a small patio. Here are 15 Zen garden ideas that will inspire a design to help you unwind, meditate, and take a break from it all. One, make it into a Zen living room. Landscape designer Patricia Benner of Benner Landscape Design in Los Angeles created a Zen nook with a pebble rug and a gray koi water pond accented by olive plants, succulents, and a lavender variety that needs little to no water. The inviting Zen garden works well in this front yard. 2. Design a labyrinth. Few things are as meditative as walking through a labyrinth. You can make one by planting shrubbery or even carving out a path in the grass, like this meditative garden by Hollander Design. 3. Put down gravel. The crunch of gravel underfoot sounds meditative and creates a neutral blanket that makes the Zen garden easy on the eyes. Garden designer Molly Wood took the serene palette further by incorporating beige lounge chairs next to the three-tiered water fountain. Inexpensive pea gravel from a hardware store is a budget-friendly way to begin your Zen garden. 4. Build a floating deck. Designate space for a Zen garden with a few floating decks. These platforms can be used for anything from meditation to yoga. Landscape designer Sarah Bendrick added tall grasses to soften the look of the planks. 5. Incorporate a peaceful color palette. Gravel and stone give your peaceful garden personality along with soft-hued plants like lavender and Russian sage. Accentuate the rest of the space with richly colored amethyst pillows. Recreate this look in a small space using a restful color palette across every square inch. 6. Bring in a large rock. A large stone in a Zen garden represents timelessness and a symbol of eternity. Use it as a spot for meditation and reflection, like in this courtyard enclave created by Hollander Design. 7. Install a bamboo water feature. Japanese gardens often have a tipping bamboo water feature. The trickling sound of water plays a role in Zen garden design, as it is a tool that ushers in spiritual cleansing. 8. Decorate with a Buddha sculpture. As Zen gardens originated in Buddhist monasteries, it is only apt to include a Buddha sculpture in your space. A symbol of enlightenment, it is also a reminder to see oneself more clearly and give your ego a break. 9. Add lights with intention. Landscape designer Melanie Ricola of Melanie Ricola Landscape Design allows the Zen garden to shine, even at night, with strategically placed lights that highlight the pond. Lovely lighting elements can also be incorporated into a front yard for peacefulness and practicality. 10. Plant a bamboo privacy fence. The rustling of bamboo plays up the senses and works wonders as an affordable privacy fence to keep out the noise and nosy neighbors. It is easy to maintain, so you can spend more time relaxing and not pruning. 11. Create a focal point. A distinct entrance into a Zen garden creates separation from the outside world and acts as a focal point. For something unique, try circles and squares as part of the design, something Bendrick also incorporates into her work. 12. Style a stone path. Combine small stone pavers with gravel. If you rake the gravel, it evokes rippling water, and the path can work as either a labyrinth or a way to a cozy meditative nook. 13. Create a Zen zone. Even if your yard doesn't lend itself to an entire Zen garden, you can still create pockets of tranquility by placing gravel and sculptures along the perimeter of your space. Try this in a small backyard with limited square footage, but where you want to incorporate aspects of Zen. 14. Add a koi pond. Koi fish are auspicious symbols that are said to represent courage and perseverance. Invite these golden swimmers into your Zen garden by creating a pond. Add lotus flowers, which represent enlightenment in Hinduism. 15. Incorporate moss. The soft, supple texture of moss begs you to slow down and touch it. This idea of taking your time to be present in your senses and experience nature is a central part of the restful state, resulting from time spent in a Zen garden. Creating a Zen garden isn't just about changing how your backyard looks. It's about changing how you feel the moment you step outside. By bringing these minimalist Japanese design principles into your home, you're creating a permanent boundary against the noise and stress of everyday life. Whether you decide to install a massive gravel courtyard or just a tiny, raked sand corner on your patio, the peace it brings to your daily routine is absolutely priceless. Thank you so much for watching and exploring these peaceful designs with us today. If these Zen garden ideas brought a little bit of peace to your day, please hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration to elevate your exterior spaces. Drop a comment below and let us know. Which element are you going to add to your yard first? The raking gravel or a relaxing water feature? Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a transformation, and we will see you in the next video.